Hello, Rav. How to continue the workshop internally, that workshop we had today.
I recommend doing it in the times when during the day you're connecting a few times a day, and do it there. Except that, I don't know. I have a dream that during the day there will be such people outside of the tents. Not necessarily in the tents. Let's say you're available and he's available and the other one's available, and then virtually, in the virtual space, you keep discussing it from different tents, maybe even from different groups, from groups overseas or anything. And so throughout the day, there's this place of discussion. And if someone has time, or if someone is able to listen while working, then they they plug into it. But it can't be just levity and then just confusions. But just for the purpose of connecting in order to move closer and closer to the Creator. The Creator is hearing as well. He needs to feel contentment from that.
Yep.